for a long time. So that's a reason of poor core strength. They get physically tired very easily while climbing or 10 stairs. They feel tired, fully fatigued, fully drained. This is also a main reason of poor core. No interest in physical activity. If he or she is not able to perform good in a physical activity, while XYZ play, maybe running, maybe jumping, maybe throwing, they feel that they are not going to take part in that kind of activity, and they used to avoid going out. Sometimes you find that a kid used to take the support of other hands while writing. They used to take a support of, like, while the ones they will like going down, so they used to take the help of other non-working hands to support their head. So this is also a sign of poor core. As I told that he or she is not able to cross the monkey bar, not able to climb, not able to go for that the swings who are very high, because there is lots of stairs are there. So they refuse to go. I don't like, I'm scared. XYZ reasons they have. Role of core in life of special needs, especially. Sometimes we find that the child is not able to walk, and if he or she walks for 5 or 10 steps, वो गिर जाता है. And we used to rush here and there for the medicine. What happened? Muscle toning and all. So core is also a reason of these kind of things. If the core is strong, we can prevent this kind of things, and we can improve too. If the strong core is there, the child is happy, and he or she is ready to perform any kind of physical activity, because he is doing excel. With the strong core, he can perform any kind of physical activity with a proper and full interest. He will take full interest and perform excel too. If he will do better, and the confidence of that person also increase, because he is doing good, and the kids and the other kids will help, like they want them to play together. That increase the confidence, increase socialization also, because if the person performs well, everybody is keen to take them in their own team. Balance increase. And I'm going to talk about the agility. So first of all, I'm going to explain about what is agility. Agility is a quick movement which needs and play an important role in everybody's life. Like, if the person is having agility, he can move here and there very quick. Because there is some kind of like reaction time. In a layman language, I'm going to describe it's a reaction time. Because if I'm going forward, if somebody call me, come back, so I will take friction of seconds to come back. So if the person is having a poor core, he is not able to do that. Because the person is having poor core is not able to do that quick movements. He listens, वो सुन रहा है, but he's not able to do that, because he's not capable to do that in a friction of seconds. But if the core is strong, he will do definitely. That will increase the ability of the child, because he listens, but he's not able to perform. And the reason is hidden actually. Nobody is like identify that he's listening, but the body doesn't support. So if the core is good, he will do definitely with the same intensity like normal people used to do. Same way, the if the reaction time increase on any XYZ command, if the reaction time increase with the help of core, the coordination develops automatically. Sometimes people used to say he listens, but he never do. So just identify the reason behind the movement, that why he's not doing, if he's not capable to do, or he's having some like some problem is there, or he's having less strength. If he's having a less strength to do all these kind of, because he's listening, he's not able to perform because doesn't support. And with the help of core, we can perform both things like normal people do. Help of core, the posture increase, sustainability. You can find that people used to say, I'm tired, I'm not able to stay for a long. But the person who is fit and having a good core or strengthened, good strong core, he or she is stay strong for a long time. Like he can sit for a long time, he can stand for a long time. So there are lots of benefits that only the needs parents can identify. The people who's not having speech, and they used to rush to the therapist for a long time, that he or she is not having the blowing for last 6 months. So I can say that if the kid is having strong core, he can do blowing activity in a minimal time. If the person is taking 6 months or 7 months, the time will decrease. It may be differ as per the ability of the child, but I'm very much sure that if the core is strengthened, if the core is strong, the duration of that blowing will decrease. It will take less time to learn the blowing skills. It will align the body, like increase the coordination between walking while running. You will find that the person is having a good core, a strong core, that the coordination, or you can say that bilateral coordination, alteration, in layman language you call alteration. You will find that the people used to walk with the same hand and same leg. So once the core is developed, you will find their alteration will come automatically.
We already have questions, ma'am. Can we start with them?
Yes, we can do that.
Okay, so the first question is from Harpreet Kaur. She wants to ask that her child needs little prompt while writing and he do not climb on the monkey bars and rope ladder, etc. How we can improve his core strength? Please give some suggestions.
First of all, I would like to suggest that start with the initially beginning, like climbing with the 4 or 5 steps, and increase the step as per the, once he will like feel happy to do that, and increase the step like 4, 6 and 8. Once he is ready to do that and having like he feel confidence, do a specific core activity. But I'm telling you, like core is it's difficult to develop the core. So whenever you are going to start a workout with the core activity, always try to make the activity interesting and fun. Once, because it will be it's a rigorous form. If the child lose the interest, he will not ready to do it again. and it's my suggestion to do that once whenever you are going to like decide activity for the core. Please consider the ability of your child. Don't go with the copybook style. You have to understand ability of your child so that he can perform in a simple to complex manner. Because I know that people used to search on the net and they start doing, and the thing is that the kids get bored and not ready to do that, or फिर वो ना ना करता करता and everything goes worst. So better you take care of the ability of your child, and as I told you, increase the stairs number. Go with the 4 or 5, 6, then 8 and 10.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but he just climb in the one step on the ladder, then he will stop. You don't want.
Let me complete. I'm going to solve this problem of yours. It's because it's a very common problem. It's very difficult to climb on a straight ladder.
Yes.
So start with the stairs. Start with the stairs for the floor of yours, like building wala stairs.
वो तो मैम
And
इजीली
then-
कर जाता है वो तो
हाँ, so
easily
increase the number. You increase the number, and I am just definitely saying that he will able to do that also.
okay okay ma'am I will try. And while writing
डॉक्टर नेहा आवाज नहीं आ रही.
हेलो यस मैम
Yes,
मैम जैसे राइटिंग में भी उसको प्रॉम्प्ट चाहिए होता है थोड़ा एल्बो पे ही नीड्स सम प्रॉम्प्ट के कोई मेरा हाथ मतलब एल्बो पे रखे लिटिल फिंगर तो मैं लिखूंगा उसको कैसे
as I told you earlier, मैम, क्योंकि मेरा main concentration उसी पे था, because with the good ability सबका problem ये होता है, he is ready to do orally but he is not ready to write. He is not able to complete classwork. So it's my suggestion that that's a sign. Actually, it's a sign that he is having weak core.
okay
So better you start with the development of the core activity, and as I told you that increase the number of stairs because it's a basic one. So,
okay
and if he's ready to do 10 stairs in a 1 minute, let him do in a less time same stairs. That will increase the core strength.
okay okay ma'am thank you
Okay, I would request the parents to kindly unmute themselves one by one and ask the queries instead of please typing them. I'm just taking up the other query, which is from Sheetal. I think I missed something.
Yeah, Sheetal Dodani.
Yeah, please ask your query, ma'am.
Yeah, hello, ma'am. As you said, like due to poor core strength, they get tired. That I also noticed. But why don't like my child? He doesn't feel sleepy. मतलब वो सुबह 7 बजे भी उठा हुआ है तो वो रात के 11-12 करके ही सोएगा. मतलब why don't they feel sleepy? And if they are tired, if they are getting tired easily, तो
He's not actually tired. Problem is that he's not ready to do the activity. He's not tired because if he's not doing anything, how can he be tired?
okay.
So that's the point, that we have to understand the need of the child. He says that it's like a escapism. In a layman language, I will say that he's not ready to do that physical activity, and he used to say that I am tired. So because he is having a bad core, lack of strength in the core, he is not ready to do that activity. So वो तो वो बता नहीं पाएगा कि मेरे को करना ही नहीं है क्योंकि मैं कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ. तो he used to say that मैं थक गया हूँ, मुझे करना नहीं है. And you are connecting with that. He's drained. He will sleep early.
No, ma'am, he doesn't say. Means I want to ask कि उसको हम physical भी करवाते हैं. Everything, one room mopping, sweeping, अभी सब कुछ हो रहा है लॉकडाउन में. But है ना वो फिर भी वो सोने के लिए क्लियरली बोलता है no sleep. नाइट में मतलब मॉर्निंग से 7 o'clock से उठा हुआ बच्चा वो 11 o'clock तक जाके मैक्स अभी सो रहा है, लेकिन बट वो इनिशियली ही सेज आई डोंट वांट टू स्लीप.
So thing is that he's adapted with the all schedule you are taking for the long time, like 2.5 months. So he needs change in the activity.
Okay.
So will you please tell me the ability of your child?
Ma'am, he is 6 years old and like हाँ he climbs the ladder and मतलब अभी थोड़ा improve हुआ है उसका core, but still means exactly what you want to know.
Diagnosis of your child.
Ma'am, ASD. He is diagnosed with ASD. Yeah.
So it's nothing new for ASD kids, so don't worry about anything. It's
Okay.
time to increase the intensity of the activity.
Okay.
And you will find the results.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
So try to go with little bit rigorous activities of physical activity in home.
Okay.
So because these kind of things are nothing for him. वो used to हो चुका है.
Yeah. Okay. Thank.
Well, ASD kids having higher ability.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
That's the reason. So you have to. That is why I'm keep asking that you have to understand the ability of your child, because the workouts depends upon the ability. Same workout doesn't work for everybody. You have to understand the ability of your child first.
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do, but you have to understand that.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, next can we have Yugraj? You were asking about how to help child sitting in W position.
So as I told you, ma'am, that if the person is having bad core, there is no core in strength, he will do that. So that's my suggestion. That I know that it will become definitely, because it's a common question. So you better try to work. What's the age of the child now?
Ma'am, actually, it's my friend's son, and he is 10 years old.
He is 10 years old. So
yeah.
It will take time. And what's the diagnosis now?
ASD.
ASD, same. So I discussed each and everything about W position earlier. So start working on the core, and it will be like done. If the core will be strong, he's ready to sit in a actual position like we do.
And ma'am, one more question. And how do we help the child doing toe walking? Is it in relationship with core and all?
It's I can say that it is it, but we have to understand the diagnosis of the child. Sometimes because people used to do toe walking because of stiffness of the muscles.
But there is no stiffness in
I cannot comment before seeing the report of the child.
Okay, thank you.
I would like to add for toe walking, it can be due to the sensory issues as well. So we need to know why is it happening. If it is a structural issue, a muscular issue, or a sensory issue, and what is the degree of toe walking. So, yeah.
Full time, like.
No, full time.
And there is no muscular issues. No?
So there might be sensory issue involved, tactile sensory issues, or maybe proprioceptive. We cannot comment because toe walking can be mild, moderate, severe. So again, we have to see how much is the toe walking, when is it happening, what are the factors we have to differentiate. First, we rule out the sensory first of all, and then we go to the structural and muscular part.
Diagnosis matters a lot for these kind of situation. We cannot suggest blindly.
Okay, I hope that answers your question, ma'am. So the next question is from Usha Trivedi. How to improve kids' proprioceptive and vestibular system? How core strength helping him to improve his proprioceptive and vestibular system? Please guide.
Core, I guess for so long I'm discussing about core. Once the core is developed, you will find the alignment of the body, posture of the body comes automatically. If the core is strong, the posture will be very fine, strong. He or she can stay in a good posture for so long. Then the balance increase, and the thing will be on the path after this. As I request Dr. Neha, please add more on that.
So when we talk of proprioceptive and vestibular, see what these things and muscle strengthening, especially core, they go hand in hand. If one system is strengthened, the other automatically gets strengthened. What do we usually do for proprioceptive exercises in therapy centers? We go for gym ball pressures, we go for wheelbarrow walking, we go for swings, we go for other activities that are in turn strengthening the core. And if we go the other way around, we strengthen the core, then we are giving the equal amount of pressure and input to the child's muscles and his joints, which is serving the proprioceptive purpose. And the activities and the stretching and yoga poses that we suggest for core strengthening, they also help in development of the proprioceptive and vestibular system. So they are basically interrelated. If one is strengthening, the other one, the core might and might not be. But if core is strengthening, then proprioceptive and vestibular will definitely be benefited.
As I say that the once the core is strong, the posture is posture will be correct. Then he or she is ready to do, or he is able to do all kind of activities in a proper manner. And if he or she is doing all things in a proper manner, the need will all like automatically satisfied.
Can we have Usha Trivedi? Can you please unmute yourself, ma'am? Okay, I think she can't hear or not available. So moving to the next question by Anand Bhargav. My son's biggest challenge is that he does not take any interest in any physical activity, even with simplest activity. Increase can only be done when he takes interest in simple activity. He can do cycling very easily, but he does not take any interest. Sir, if you're listening, please unmute yourself and tell a little bit about the child's age and his diagnosis.
Yeah, my son is 12 years of age. He's got autism. He is physically very active and very agile. But like simple activities when we try to engage, like kicking the ball, running, chasing, or cycling, he doesn't take interest. I mean, we think that we start with simple activities, then we build on that, and then try to do something like more complex. But we will do two rounds of cycling in the colony, but that also with lot of like prompt and saying that please do it, and so the interest is lacking. That is, we have, how do we start then?
The problem is that he's not taking interest in the activities, I think, huh, Dr. Neha, because the question was too long, so I'm not able to.
Yeah, he is not taking interest in any activity. The child is 12 years of age and he can do cycling, but getting him do the activity is difficult.
As I told you that the kids with autism are very clever. They can read your face. So I know that he or she is able to do any kind of activity very good. But if he is not taking interest, maybe there is a reason of core. And it's like everybody in their own life, they have weak core. We cannot say that I have a strong core or he's having strong. People used to have strong, weak core, but some people used to do activity that course developed automatically. But some people cannot do that. Like the child with special needs, they are not able to do their core activity their own. So we have to identify that the strengthening of core is needed. We have to work on that. And I know if you will work on that, the interest automatically increase, because that core helps to increase the capacity to do all the physical activity for a so long. After that, he will take interest.
Okay. Hello. Sir, can you hear us?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So next we're moving to Sonal Mundra and Nitin, and they've asked the same question: how to improve core of 3-year-old child. And for Sonal, the added thing is the child has low muscle tone and low upper body strength.
Same questions. 3 years kid ka.
3 years kid.
3 years. Now it's very good that you understand that the need of the core, the need of your child, that in a very early age. because once we will start in an early age to work on a specific region, we will achieve a good or can that big goals for the life also. So for 3 years child, try to go with the basic activity, like he or she, let him lie down on the floor, kick on your palms, let him raise their legs, hang something like balloon, ball, or you can any kind of toy he likes. Let him like come up and touch, lie down and kick as fast as he can. Count the kicks. Let and It's my suggestion that whenever you are going to plan a core activity, make simple as per the ability, and in the same way fun, try to add fun in that activity so that the person or kid enjoy that core strengthening workout. And for the 3-year kids, there is lots of activity is there, as you told me that muscle toning is less, so try with very minimum timing, less repetition. Once the target set by you is like 3 or 4 repetition, increase the target, increase the timing, so your progress can be assessed with the repetition and the increase of timing.
Okay, next question I'm taking from Aradhya.
Ma'am, just a minute. I'm Sonal. I just had asked that question. Ma'am, you said lying on the floor. So lying on the back or on the belly?
You can there is lots of activity. I'm going to tell you the name of the activities as you asked me in the pinpoint, like you must be aware about the Superman position.
Yes, ma'am. But
So
she,
that will also help.
I have to support her shoulders for her to do that. So it's okay right now.
It's okay in the
Should I
beginning stage,
insist that she does it on her own?
it's okay. In the beginning she will not do, or I don't know about the kids, the person did not do. Definitely start with the
Okay.
assistant.
Okay.
Give him assistant for 5 seconds, then
Mm-hmm.
just be a fake, like fake, you just touch
Okay.
your child and then I'm holding you, don't worry, I'm with you. Then
Okay.
just decrease the connection of yours, and you will
Okay.
find that he or she is ready to do all kind of activity without your assistance. Then count, take the
Okay.
timing, and ask one if you want to ask more, or you want me to tell you more activities.
Yes, I am making her do push-ups on the exercise ball because her upper body is shoulder strength
As
is
I
low.
told you,
So anything,
let me, as I told you, that you have to be take care about the ability of your child, as he or she
yes.
is very small, 3 years old, and a problem of muscle toning. We never used to go with the push-up with the normal kids in this age.
Okay.
So you better you whatever you are going to do, please consider your age also. Nobody forced you to do this kind of push-ups in your age.
Yes, yeah. Her
So why
OT
you are
suggested, so I doing it.
no.
Okay.
That's my always I used to suggest everybody that whatever you are going to do with your kids, please assess the ability. Don't go with the copybook style.
Okay, ma'am.
Assess the ability of your child and
Yes.
do it.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, next is Aradhya. Please ask your question, ma'am.
हेलो हेलो मैम, आप सुन पा रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
हाँ मैम, मेरी डॉटर है 4.6 ईयर की। वो एक्चुअली स्ट्रेट नहीं बैठती है। वो जो अपना लोअर बैक है वो पीछे निकाल के जनरली बैठती है। मुझे उसे टोकना पड़ता है कि स्ट्रेट करो, तो कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए बैठेगी, फिर वो वैसे ही पोजीशन में। और मैंने एक चीज और नोटिस की है, जैसे उसको जब सिटिंग कराती हूँ मैं, तो जनरली वो एक हाथ अपना बेड पे या चेयर पे साइड में टिका लेती है। तो इसका मतलब उसको कुछ कोर स्ट्रेंथनिंग की प्रॉब्लम है। तो इसके लिए मैं प्रॉपर क्या करूं इन दो चीजों के लिए?
मैम एज क्या है बच्चे की?
4.6 year.
4.6, almost 5. हाँ. And what's the diagnosis, ma'am?
वही autistic,
Autistic.
mild autistic.
Mild autistic. So the thing is that it's quite easy to understand. Like उसकी ability बहुत अच्छी है अगर mild autism है. So you start working on the core and start with the beginning. Like there is lots of beginners activity as I told about that key. So Superman position, boat position. These are the few activities you can do at your home with no space, no warm-up is required, no equipment is required. So you can start with those two exercises, because you are saying that shoulder is not she's not able, like because lack of strength in shoulder, she used to make a curve like a hump. So lack strength in shoulder is also less. So you start with two exercises of this: Superman for the shoulder strength and boat for the core strength. And these are the basic actually. So once you start with the count, and she is ready to do that, increase the count. After she is ready to do it for 20 or 30 count, set a watch and tell the kid that you have to stay that position for so long. And you can add some motivational things also. I will give you, we will go here, because it's the right time to correct the posture of your kid, because it's in the future or after 7 or 8 it will be more difficult. So if you will work right now, you will achieve many things with the help of core, like postures, coordination, balance. And once she will go in the school, she has to copy from the blackboard, so that will also help that to do that.
ओके मैम. मैम उसको वाटर प्ले बहुत पसंद है. मैंने उसके लिए एक बड़ा बाथ टब अभी लिया है. अगर मैं स्विमिंग के थ्रू या कुछ ऐसी पोजीशन है जो पानी में खेल के करा सकती हूँ जिसके थ्रू उसकी कोर स्ट्रेटनिंग हो जाए, तो फिर बताइए वो मुझे.
Of course there is let your child kick, scissor, flutter kick. You can search on the net, there is a flutter kick posture. She will enjoy that movement in water, and it will directly help on the core of the kid. So you can search that flutter kick and appropriate activity with the water, and you can achieve that with the fun, and she will enjoy that.
Okay ma'am, thank you so much.
Next question is from Varsha, and Varsha, please unmute yourself. And she wants to know some simple core exercises.
Actually, that's for my girl. She is 11 years old, and her diagnosis is muscular dystrophy, a rare kind of it. But it exists with autism, as the diagnosis says. But what I find is she can do cycling. It's recent past only we learned cycling, and she can do it independently. And we are doing some yoga poses and all for her. She's doing that also. But what I find is she wants to most of the time take rest. Okay, that I have found, probably energy drain or what is happening, I don't know. Because she has this complaint of mitochondria not working properly, energy not being generated nicely. So what can I do her? Now she also has apraxia of speech. Okay. So now that she has started telling me the stories in her own words, I want to help her. Like if you can suggest some nice, really simple way of, strengthening her core and the things I should be careful about. I know I don't stretch her too much because I don't want to worsen her case. Now she is, by the grace of God, moving around and doing all these things, though she is a rare kind of dystrophy child. So is there anything you can suggest for me that can help her?
Okay. Dr. Neha, please help me, because I was not able to.
Okay. The question is, the child is 11 years old, and she has autism plus muscular dystrophy, and she also has apraxia of speech. So she gets tired very easily, and so Varsha wants to know some simple core exercises for her to build the strength. So is that right, Varsha?
Yeah.
As you
Also,
told
you
me
can
about
tell her
that,
about she can do yoga and cycling. She can do easily four rounds and all.
Okay. So she can do yoga also and cycling also 4 rounds.
4 rounds. The posture you are doing is like she is doing in a proper way.
Yeah, yeah. But one thing I wanted to add is like when we are making her to do dhanurasana and all, no, so she cannot keep her both the legs together too much. Okay, I can see that widening happening, and her
Uh,
walk. You at first when you look at her, you won't make out that her walk is a little different because a little waddling kind of feel is there. Okay, and so I feel definite there is a lack in the core strength. So also maybe if we work on that, if that helps more in her speech, because now the clarity has started coming up. I want to work more on that side also. Plus, I want to help her with the what you said, the phonetic strength. So if you can suggest any simple and really good exercises for her.
as you told me that she is doing lots of asanas, but you told me at last that about dhanurasana.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you about dhanurasana is not a basic the asana of yoga. It's quite a
Yeah.
complex one
Right.
because it involves your all the body structures and you will get stretched while doing that. So
Correct.
if she's ready, she is able to do it in a proper way.
Yeah, she's doing, but the upper body lifting her head up too much, it's not happening. She raises it up, but it's not coming that much up.
And
We are
I'm going to
working
also
tell
on
you
it.
about
whitening.
something. I'm going
Yeah.
to tell you something about yoga now.
Yeah.
If in a yoga, if we do things not in a
Yeah.
proper way,
Yeah.
थोड़ा नुकसान हो जाता है हमें.
No, don't worry. Actually, we had been to a yoga consultant, and he has given me a proper series of steps, and that way we are following and doing. I'm just telling you because she can do that also, so that you get an idea of what the child's capability is.
That is why मतलब आपने मुझे बताया मैंने तभी आपसे बात करी है
Correct,
because
correct.
I will never suggest because थोड़ा complex है. I know
Right.
that she can do for a like after some time she can do that, but in the beginning stage I will never suggest this kind of activity for the kid who is having these kind of diagnosis. So I don't know about कितने time से वो कर रही है and also I cannot tell you now that कि करना है या नहीं करना है. So
Okay.
but try to involve those activities जिसमें उसका once involvement of the lower region and once involvement in the upper region. मतलब ऐसा कोई भी एक्टिविटी ना डिजाइन मतलब लें ऑफ कोर एक्टिविटी जिसमें both simultaneously हो.
Okay.
So that's my suggestion as per your diagnosis and conversation. I will never
Okay.
suggest any kind of activity जिसमें both limbs like upper body and lower body दोनों इकट्ठे काम करें. So that will be my suggestion that it will be easiest to work on the core that first involve the lower region. Once you will find the strengthening there, then involve the ab like workout of the core with the both regions. But after she is ready to do that lower region wala activity in a proper way because it's difficult to lift your upper body.
So what kind of activities would you suggest for her, ma'am? Like if lower ke liye and upper ke liye few exercises.
Because she's already involved with the activity of yoga, so I have to see that what's the condition because the diagnosis is typically and the thing if the things connected with the muscles we have to think before suggesting anything.
Okay,
But we
Varsha,
cannot suggest blindly actually in this case.
so what you can do is, Varsha, you can drop a WhatsApp to me personally with a video of the child, and then we can help you further by
Okay.
seeing what is the ability of the child exactly.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So the next question is from Aditi Garg. My son is 8-year-old and is diagnosed with ASD. He does not do anything at home apart from watching TV. He does not listen to any instruction either related to being active or study or read. how can we influence him to get involved in anything constructive? So Aditi girl, please unmute yourself.
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah.
Hi, what's the age of your child?
8 years old.
Oh, fully tactus is there. He can escape himself for any kind of disliking in activity. He do whatever he wants to do actually. I am
Yes,
right?
and he says that if teacher is not given me homework, I will not do. So he is not
Yeah, he's
doing
very smart.
anything. Yeah.
So it's right time to involve him in a physical activity. Start playing with him. Kids wants to play, but they need companion
Mhm.
below him. The
Okay.
kid don't want companion as per the ability of the same ability. Everybody wants the candidate below him.
Mhm.
So you start playing with him, and definitely he will take interest, engage in whatever according to the interest. It depends upon the interest because he is very clever. He will
Mhm.
not do anything forcefully.
Yeah.
So you start playing with him, cricket and whatever you can play as per your availability of the sources. Like, and you can play in the home or in the park or in the balcony because of lockdown on the terrace. So you have to take the initiative, and only you can be the leader right now because
Fair enough.
he will win with you. The interest will increase.
Okay.
Actually, see,
Got it.
this query is not of the core per se. This is of the general attitude of the child. So we have
Yeah.
to see why he's not taking interest, and plus if he's on the TV all the time. So I think screen time is the biggest reason for shutdown of everything else.
Yeah.
First of all, it shut down the sensory system and the visual takes over everything. And the child, no child, be it neurotypical, be it neurodiverse, no child would like to move away from the TV if he is given access to it. So
Mhm.
first of all, you need to start with the reduction of screen time and involve him accordingly. And for that, you can start with the scheduling of the child and involve him in activities where he is interested. It can be sensory play, it can be physical activity, it can be yoga, it can be art and craft activities. So, you know, we have to take the child away from what is already interesting by providing him something that is more interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
As I told earlier, Dr. Neha, because
yeah.
And let him win. उसको जीतने दो. Because
Mhm.
he will play next time. अगर वो जीतेगा, अगर वो हार गया, he will deny कि मुझे नहीं खेलना है. So
लेकिन
you better
चैलेंज ये
take care
हुआ,
of these things also.
लेकिन डॉक्टर चैलेंज ये हुआ कि हमारे साथ जीतने की आदत से अब स्कूल में वो ही इज नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग एनी डिफीट एंड स्कूल में विद हिज बिहेवियर इज टोटली secluded. Nobody is including him in the class. Birthday parties में he is not getting called. So he's totally at a corner in the school because of this behavior of his.
Previously, he was playing with you.
Yeah, he only plays with us in the home. Like that is the only company. Then school में जाके he becomes more dominating. He accepts कि मुझे win करना ही है, मेरे हिसाब से सारे rules चलेंगे. I will define it. And obviously kids जब तक छोटे थे तो चल रहा था. अब 8 साल के बच्चे हैं, उनकी अपनी opinion है. तो पूरे group ने उसे secluded कर दिया है. And not even like parents भी नहीं include करना चाहते. Birthday party organize करते हैं तो they don't even send their kid. They don't even come.
So you work on yourself at home to teach him the losing part also, because आपने हमें ये नहीं बताया था, and you told me that he is not taking interest in any activity. अगर ये हमें पता होता तो we can discuss more on that in that way. So so it will take a huge time, और वो जो हमारे पास अब बचा नहीं है. So you can talk Dr. Neha after that. We will suggest something to you, because it's not platform to describe. It will take a long time.
Fair enough, fair enough.
Yeah, you can just get in touch personally, ma'am, because this is again a psychological and behavioral correction issue. So we can talk about it later. Next we are taking from Yugraj. What are the everyday activities to strengthen core? Please unmute yourself. Yugraj, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
You have again. I think we just dealt with your query sometime back.
Yes, ma'am, and that was related to toe walking. Now I want to know what are the daily activities we'll incorporate in our daily life? What are the exercises or activities?
For the
What can
rectification of the toe walking,
no
No,
for
no,
core
just general
strengthening?
to strengthen our core.
to strengthen the core. Okay.
Yeah.
Daily to daily activity. As I told you that let him climb for the swings and all stairs.
Okay.
And the lockdown is going on, so you cannot go out. So if the person is not able to go out, there is lots of fun activities to core development. The core is there. As I told about previously, that Superman, there is a lots of Superman position, Spider-Man position, Commando position, and there's a lot without equipment. There is lots of animal walks are there.
Yeah, we are doing animal walk, ma'am. Like
So
crab walk.
I know everybody is doing animal walk at their own, but during the animal walk, the posture of the walk is also important.
Okay.
If we are adapting a wrong posture, that will not affect our particular things. So it's my suggestion to all parents, because I know that everybody is doing animal walk at their own because doesn't need space, doesn't need equipments. So it's my suggestion, you better take care of the posture while doing animal walks, so that you can achieve the proper effect of these kind of walks, because the animal walk is itself a very good activity to satisfy the needs of the child.
Okay, thank you.
Next question is from Realme 3 Pro. Please unmute yourself if you're there. How to know child's ability?
Hello.
Yeah, please, ma'am, ask your question.
Yeah, ma'am. Just I want to know how do we know about the child's ability to do this or not?
What's the diagnosis, ma'am?
Ma'am, is ASD, 4 years old child.
ASD. The
Ma'am,
physically he's fit.
Yeah, ma'am. He's physically fit. He likes to write. Is writing. He likes very much to writing. So craving, coloring, all that fine motor is very good developing. But I have to query after listening all that because of some core strengthening is need.
Your voice is broken, ma'am. Please repeat the
Hello.
question. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. He is a very good fine motor because he writes very well. But sometimes during sitting position, he wants support. And I feel his some muscle tone is very less. I feel, but I don't know is it true or not.
Okay. Have you got your assessments done, ma'am? OT assessments or some sports
Yeah,
assessment?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, done.
So, what does the OT say for the muscle toning?
Ma'am, they are not saying anything about that. They are doing their activities, but not much guided.
Okay. Ma'am, can you help? Can you hear, ma'am?
It was in the beginning, but after that,
Okay.
so
The
will you
child.
please explain?
She's not sure whether the child has muscle tone issues. There are postural issues. She's taking support while writing or while sitting. So, how to know what is the issue with the child and where exactly the problem is?
As per she told me that physically he is fit.
Yeah, ma'am. Physically is fit.
And he do any kind of activity like jumping, climbing, anything like.
He's doing the slider climbing and staircase climbing.
And he used to take interest.
But it's not like the normal child. Just a slow, यानी कि जो normal बच्चे की speed होती है ऐसी speed नहीं है.
That doesn't matter. I'm just talking about the interest. If he is ready to do or he takes interest to do.
Yeah, ma'am. He climbs very well.
Okay. So you want to know the ability of your child, huh?
Yeah, ma'am. Because sometimes when we do the physical activity, suppose ke pushing the table or pushing the chair or sit down, stand up, at that time he doesn't want to do because of he does not take the interest or not because of the muscle tone is not good working.
As you told me that the lack of muscle tone is there, you told because of diagnosis. But if he is not ready to do, or he skip to do that, it's a reason of weak core.
Yeah.
As I discussed in the beginning, if the child having a bad core, he's not ready to do these kind of activity with the interest.
Yeah. Is it okay to wear the sand belt and all that in wrist joint or ankle joint and do the exercise?
Sand bag?
Sand belt.
Belt.
Yeah.
Belt.
Yeah, sand belt.
Sand belt.
Ma'am, your question is not clear to us. Like, and
मैम सैंड बेल्ट पहनाए तो बराबर है या नहीं पहनाना चाहिए?
Belt or bag?
Belt.
On the waist or on the shoulder?
No, wrist joint.
wrist weights and ankle weights आप वो पूछ रहे हैं?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Wrist weights and ankle weights.
देखिए, I cannot commit before because अभी मैंने बच्चे को देखा नहीं है, but I never used to suggest ये सब, मतलब like ये सब I never used to suggest.
Okay.
And ma'am, all the time
you
it is
suggest,
not
maybe there is a
advisable.
reason. जिसने भी suggest किया होगा उसने reason दिया होगा आपको. So if you want, you can discuss with us. If you want.
Okay. Yeah.
Next question from Ashish. Please unmute yourself and ask your question, sir.
कितना मैडम कंफ्यूज था અને તને પણ ડાન્સ પડી ને
Hello. Okay, I'm moving to Hari Krishna. Can you hear us, Hari Krishna?
Yes, madam. Yes.
Please ask your query, sir, because we need to wind up.
Yes, I tried to. My child is around 3.4 years. I try to do some like core exercise with him. That is like squatting and then like sitting on the on one side, pushing up and then getting like making his squat and then again get up. 2-3 times I tried to do with him, but he could not. He just simply turned one side and ran away. So like he's not much interested. I feel that still that core part is not having that energy. So what is the simple exercise I need to catch hold of him and do it?
Hello.
Hello, madam. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, I am, sir. So you are doing good with him previously, but he's not taking interest. That's the reason you want simple exercises for them. Hello.
Yeah.
I
Hello.
am right, sir?
Yes. So simple exercise. What will come like other than squatting and then more exercise?
So there is lots of exercises apart from squatting and all. As I discussed about animal walks, there is a mountain climbing. Frog jump is also itself a very rigorous form of core development exercises in which you will get pressure on your whole body.
Okay. So steps is good. He's able to climb steps and then get on himself, but sometimes he need to.
It's very good if he is doing well. So you can do one thing. You can, if he is enjoying the stepping, you can do one thing. There is a adaptation is there. Let him skip one step. Let him skip one step.
Okay.
So that will be adaptation, modification.
Okay.
So you join your creativity. You can itself adapt these kind of things, because it says steering is a very good activity that leads to develop the core, because it comes automatically. And as I told you that commando walk, mountain climbing, frog jump, these are the very good exercises. Animal walks are the very good. Caterpillar walk, it's itself a very funny and a rigorous form of exercises that helps to achieve a core development, and you can do it at your on your bed or in any minimum space. So these if you will do that, you will not find that very rigorous, and you will enjoy actually. So increase the repetition, increase the timing of staying in that position. Set a timing that we have to do this much in 10 repetition in 30 seconds. Burpee, if you are doing all these, you must be aware about the burpees movement, sir.
I do not
So
know that bungee movement.
you're not aware about the burpees?
No.
No. You as per your discussion, you told me that he's doing this. So you must check on that net and find burpee movement. Burpee movements are very good movement for everybody for the full body workout, and itself it will be like development of the core too.
Okay. Just moment. Searching on the net.
Yeah, so I hope that answers your question, sir. We need to wind up the session now, and I'll be taking the last query now. Rovesh Sagar, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Please ask the
Yeah,
question.
ma'am, I can
sir.
hear you. Yep. My kid is 6.5 years old. Riyansh, again, he and non-verbal. He likes jumping on the trampoline a lot. He likes climbing on the ladder, and he likes swinging on the ladder. He likes swinging a lot, and he's very fascinated with the society gym. So whenever we go near the gym, he likes getting into the gym. And one second. Yeah, he likes getting into the gym and probably going on the cycle which is there in the gym. So any activities that can be done with the kids, he's 6.5 years old, around 7, inside the gym, and will eggs help in building the core, the protein part of it?
It's very good that he's already taking interest in a physical activity and he's very keen to go and do that. I will suggest, what's the diagnosis of the kid, please? Diagnosis?
Autism.
Autism.
Yep,
It's
it
very
is
good that
autism and
he's ready to
speech
do.
dyspraxia.
He's ready to do all this kind of
Speech, yeah.
activity because he's getting pressure itself, and he can relax himself after doing all the activities, and he feels happy. So now it's right time to channelize
Right.
in a proper way. As lockdown is going on, it's quite difficult to go here and there to do activity. So I will suggest CrossFit movements for him, so that he can do
All right.
exercise with the own weight, and he feel the pressure in the same way. There is lots of CrossFit activities are there, but it's my suggestion from the beginning that whenever you are going to take any kind of activity for your kids, please try to understand the ability of your child. Don't go with any kind of physical workout. First, you understand the ability. As per the previous things, he's enjoying everything. He will enjoy CrossFit too. He enjoys jumping. You must go with the burpees. If he is ready to do the burpees is a rigorous form of CrossFit. Finest and rigorous form of a CrossFit. So it's quite difficult to. For this
Got
for
it.
the time, I will suggest you go with the CrossFit activity as per the ability of your child.
Got it. And ma'am, thanks for that. And what about eggs? Do they help eating eggs in any form, like an omelette or a boiled egg? Does it help in the muscle building?
It's a protein is the richest direct source of protein. but it depends on that ki what's the diagnosis, usko koi allergy na ho, food allergy, but eggs are very good for us.
Mm-hmm.
It's for good for everybody until unless usko koi food allergy na ho.
Got it. All right. Yeah, because a couple of my friends they told, don't give him boiled eggs. You can make an omelette, or else he might have problems in the gut.
नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You can give him a direct boiled egg is a very good source of protein, and that will help to build muscles. He will become Ronaldo soon.
Okay.
Ronaldo, Michael Schumacher, because he is doing very good in a very less age.
Mm-hmm. All right. Thanks, ma'am. Thanks for the
Just
suggestion.
look for
Sounds
the
good.
food intolerance, sir, that he's not allergic to or intolerant to egg, not even allergic. So, and that is fine. You can give in any form, as ma'am said, you can give it in boiled form. No problem.
Got it. Yeah, ma'am. I'll probably talk to separately on that.
Yeah.
The food intolerance test. Yep.
Sure.
Thanks, ma'am.
So we are closing the session now, and thank you so much, ma'am, for answering the queries. If any query is unanswered or you want to get in touch with us, so you can WhatsApp at 9891009833 or email us at gigglesclinics@gmail.com. So thank you, everybody. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Dr. Neha.